last one now.
Oh,
Well, if you go buy soup tonight or yogurt tonight,
I forget that it's okay. Well, here's the main thing. You have got to stop messing around and deal with the
yeah,
problem.
it's pretty late now.
Here's the real solution. You and your dad talk about fucking closure. Closure? Closure. Talking about something until it's resolved. Wait, hold on. See? Look, there's a whole section about it in this month's Modern Mallard. Incredibly appropriate. Woo.
I told you I have a plan.
Yeah, but according to Cosmo...
How's it taste, Mom? I already tried some. Yes, I do.
Are you full now?
Yes, I'm full, Mom. But thank you.
Come on, just repeat after me. You,
All right.
your dad. Talk.
Abby, listen. Talking's a waste of time. I gotta do something great so my dad doesn't think I'm such a loser.
Come on, you are not a loser. You're inventive and resourceful and funny and cute.
What?
Runt. Should Chicken Little have a good talk with his dad and clear the air, or keep searching for Band-Aid solutions and never deal with the problem?
Band-Aid solutions?
Runt!
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm very bad at reading facial cues.
Fish, help me out here. Men.
'Twas beauty that killed the beast.
I guess only girls are good at honest communication and sensitivity.
That's nothing. We were in a timeout, Foxy. Prepare to hurt. And I don't mean emotionally like I do.
Oh dear.